Are you a problem solver? Are you detail-oriented? Are you curious and creative? If so, a career in engineering might be right for you. Engineers make important contributions to the world we live in. Just stop and look around, and you'll see bridges, highways, power plants, automobiles, uncrewed spacecraft, and complex computing systems. For these reasons and more, engineers are in high demand. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, employment for software application designers and engineers is projected to grow by 31% from 2016 to 2026. These careers are rewarding. The median wage in 2018 for a software developer was $110,000, and the median wage for an electrical engineer was $96,640. So what are you waiting for? Los Angeles Mission College offers the associate degree in engineering with emphases in 4 areas: civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical and aerospace engineering, and computer software engineering. To learn more, visit lemission.edu/engineering.